Hey everyone! In this Technology Insights edition of ITS Now, we're looking at a technology that's set to revolutionise how we navigate our urban environments, making our streets safer and smarter for pedestrians, cyclists and vulnerable road users. Anyway, I'm Alistair and this is at ITS Now. In our rapidly evolving urban landscapes, the seamless flow of traffic and the safety of pedestrians are paramount. As cities become denser and more dynamic, the challenges of managing complex interactions between pedestrians, cyclists and vehicles grow exponentially. Every day, our city streets witness countless near misses and, tragically, accidents involving pedestrians. These incidents highlight a critical vulnerability in our urban design. Congestion, increased vehicle numbers, and the sheer complexity of modern traffic flows contribute to a hazardous environment, particularly for those on foot. The pressing question then is, how can we significantly improve the safety of active transport modes when crossing the street at zebra-type crossings? So how can we take a flashing lamp on a pole and add technology to make zebra-style crossings safer? As we continue to transform our streets, responding to the shifting hierarchy of road users that elevates active and public transport modes above vehicular traffic, we're seeing incredible innovations. Today we're focusing on a particular breakthrough from a company called Streetwise Technology, who are reimagining pedestrian safety with a human-centered, data-driven approach that promises to transform our streets. We're probably all familiar with pedestrian detection at signalised crossings. Devices at puffins, for example, detect pedestrians waiting at the curbside and can even extend the crossing period if users take longer to cross, typically due to mobility impairment. But without traffic signals to provide clear instructions to drivers, how can we implement this level of safety at zebra crossings? Let's quickly recap what a zebra crossing is. Categorised as a controlled crossing, they're most easily recognised by their distinctive black and white striped surface and the flashing yellow globes, commonly known as Belisha beacons. They are only located on roads with a 30 mph or less speed limit and are designed to minimise delays to pedestrians because, crucially, pedestrians have precedence over vehicles. According to the Highway Code, drivers should give way to pedestrians waiting to cross and must give way to pedestrians on a zebra crossing. But even with these rules, incidents still occur. This is where Streetwise Technology offers a truly proactive approach. At its core, their system uses sophisticated radar technology to identify the presence of pedestrians, cyclists and vehicles. This is a vital distinction, unlike camera-based systems, which can raise privacy concerns. The use of radar detection accurately identifies the presence of users without capturing identifiable footage. This crucial difference ensures both privacy and highly precise classified data. As a pedestrian approaches a zebra crossing, the smart beacon instantly registers their presence. If the system detects an approaching vehicle and its advanced AI predicts a potential conflict, it can trigger immediate targeted alerts. This isn't just for the driver, it could also provide a warning to the pedestrian. It's an intelligent intervention system designed to capture attention precisely when it matters most, actively preventing an incident before it occurs. This is about moving from reaction to prevention.
Remember to hit the subscribe button for ITS now.
So how does this clever system actually work? The equipment is typically pole mounted on the existing Belisha beacon poles on both sides of the crossing. Currently this comes in a small box enclosure, but the exciting potential lies in its future integration directly within the beacons themselves, making it even more discreet and seamless. The radars continuously scan the area, detecting and categorizing pedestrians, cyclists and vehicles. Crucially, using edge processing, meaning the data is analysed right there at the source on the device itself. The system can instantly determine if a potential conflict may occur. This real-time analysis is key to its effectiveness. This real-time information can then be used in several groundbreaking ways. Firstly, for in-vehicle pedestrian warning systems. Imagine this: as your connected vehicle approaches a zebra crossing, you'll receive an instant notification right on your dashboard,
Pedestrian waiting to cross,
alerting you to the presence of a pedestrian. Secondly, a particularly groundbreaking feature for accessibility is the potential to integrate with Auracast technology. This innovative capability allows the system to broadcast location-specific audio directly to compatible Bluetooth-enabled hearing aids or other supported devices, including smartphones and smartwatches. For individuals with sensory impairments, this means a clear guiding voice or an audible
vehicle
haptic alert could warn them of approaching vehicles or confirm if it's safe to cross, significantly enhancing their awareness and safety at the crossing. It's a powerful step towards truly inclusive urban environments. And thirdly, for non-connected vehicles, a simple yet effective solution could be the beacon display itself. Many modern Belisha beacons are already equipped with a halo display, designed to make the flashing yellow light more visible to drivers. This halo could potentially be used to provide an additional dynamic visual cue to indicate the presence of a pedestrian on the crossing, drawing the driver's attention more forcefully than a standard flashing light. It's a clever adaptation of existing infrastructure for enhanced safety. Beyond these immediate safety applications, the Streetwise system also offers immense potential for data utilisation. The information gathered can be used to generate near-miss heat maps, identifying high-risk areas and times. It enables predictive risk notification, allowing authorities to anticipate potential incidents before they occur. And it provides increased insight for optimising traffic planning across the wider urban network. This wealth of data empowers city planners and highway teams to make evidence-led decisions, leading to more effective traffic management, reduced congestion, and even improved air quality. In essence, Streetwise Technology is delivering more than just a pedestrian warning system. It is helping to provide a more responsive, intelligent, and human-centric urban infrastructure. By leveraging advanced sensor technology, AI-driven analytics, and connected systems, they are actively creating streets that offer a safer, more efficient and accessible environment for all. The future of urban mobility is here, and it's looking brighter and certainly safer, thanks to pioneering innovations like those from Streetwise Technology. As ITS professionals, understanding and embracing such advancements will be key to the shaping of smart cities of tomorrow. What are your thoughts on intelligent pedestrian systems, especially for zebra crossings? How can we make these safer? Let us know in the comments below. Anyway, we've got some really interesting programs coming up over the next few months, along with some great features in ITS Edge magazine. So make sure you don't miss out by subscribing to our channel at ITS Now. It's free and it really does help us to bring you further videos about ITS. Thank you again to everyone who has already subscribed. Thanks for watching. See you next time.